Hello everybody, welcome back to Just Computer Service on YouTube. Today I'm going to be showing you guys on how to install Ubuntu Linux on VirtualBox as a virtual machine. Just so you guys know, Ubuntu and VirtualBox are both free softwares to use. Right here, this is Ubuntu. This is the latest version. It's gotten pretty big. It's already 6 gigs. So system requirements for this: 2 cores, 4 gigs of RAM, at least 25 free space of gigs. And that's pretty much it. Nothing else. As for VirtualBox, this is the download site. If you have Windows, click here. Mac, click here. Or Linux in this case, click here, and download link should start immediately. Same as Ubuntu as well. So let's go ahead and get started. Here we have our VirtualBox manager. So basically, you're just gonna click on New. From here, let's give our virtual machine a name, and let's just keep it pretty simple. Ubuntu 00. And from here, I'm just gonna go ahead and select the ISO image. Click Other. Mine is in the desktop. It might be different for you. So there it is. Let's go ahead and scroll for it. Should be right here. There we go. Click on that, open it up, and it should detect automatically the OS type Ubuntu 64. Perfect. Now from this step, it's supposed to pop up the username part and a password. So basically, you're gonna have to change this because this is default. As you can see, change me. So here, let's put my name and the password. Confirm it again. Perfect. Now this part here, this will be the host name of your computer once you actually try to detect it on your network. You can leave this default or you can change it. Really up to you, to your preference. Same as the domain name. Leave it default or preference. Just click on next. Now here, we can actually leave this default or just up it up. This this requirement was 2 CPU, so I may actually give it 4. For RAM, let's go a little crazy. Let's give it 6. Next. Now I'm gonna create a new virtual hard disk. For the example, I'm gonna just do 45. Okay, no, not 45, not 4,000. Next. Now this is a summary of everything that has been done so far. And that's it. Now we just click finish. The machine should be there. Now it should start up automatically, and there it is, powering up virtual machine. Now there should be a pop-up here. There it is. Now from here, try or install. Capture this. It's gonna do it all automatically for you. Now this process is gonna be it's gonna be like a few minutes, depending. Because basically, when you do it on VirtualBox, it gives you the option in Ubuntu to try Ubuntu or install it. But on VirtualBox, it actually installs it automatically. It's not giving me the option. So you'll see right here now, it's gonna pop up a screen. Just install it. Okay, gosh, that was loud. So as you can see, it's installing right now. So this might take a few minutes. I must just go ahead and fast forward this part. I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay guys, and there we have it. The process has already finished up. Now it's gonna give this a few minutes to load. And there it is. I'll just click on your name, put in the password, enter. You're always going to be pop up with this window the first time you actually install Ubuntu. So you just skip this. Next, 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 done. And there you have it, guys. You have officially installed Ubuntu on VirtualBox as a virtual machine. You don't have to set up for the internet or anything. It should already have it automatically. Let's give that a little test. Let's go to YouTube, for example. Okay, whoops, I think I have it turned off the internet. Okay, guys, so basically the setup is already installed. Now, the only thing that's missing now is to attach internet to it. So just go to devices, go to network settings, and from here, you're going to change this from NAT to bridge adapter. And here, you're going to select your adapter. In my case, it's this one, Hyper-V. Might be different for yours. You're just going to click the one that has internet in your case. Click OK. And now you should already have internet. It's going to check here. Okay, yes, I have internet. That's my local LAN network. Let's close this out. So if I go to Firefox right now, I should be able to browse. So let's go to Reddit. And there we have it. Wow. Okay, guys, that was it. That was the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please like and subscribe. If anything did not work out for you and you still have issues, please leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. As always, guys, have a good one, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.